apparently a rocket's going to be launched, and are we going to be able to see it?
Yeah.
We're going to be able to see it. Hopefully I can get some footage of it. If not, who knows. Alright, see you in a little bit. They said we're supposed to launch at 7:40.
Uh-huh.
That's the time it is.
Hey, Mom. You know how many...
Moving to a new spot. It's 7:43 and still nothing. I don't know if we'll be able to see it. I don't know. Alright, if we do see it, I'll record it. That glowing thing right there?
I know, I see it!
You
Oh
can't
my
really
god!
see it. Okay. It's gonna go past the trees. Just give it a second.
Yes!
Give it a second.
Oh!
Give it a second. It'll go right past the
Oh!
trees. It'll go right past the trees. Just hold on.
Jesus Christ! I see it!
There it is.
Yeah.
There's the rocket. It's still on the trees.
Oh my gosh, that looks awesome! I spotted it.
There's the rocket.
The rocket.
That dot right there, that's the
Oh my
rocket.
gosh, that is so awesome!
Look at that.
Oh my god. Is that really it?
Yes.
Cool.
What else would be making that?
Look at that thing!
That's really cool.
Go ahead.
That's actually the rocket.
I thought it'd be huge, but apparently...
That is awesome.
Wow. Oh, say can you see? Don't.
Yeah. That is awesome. There's the rocket.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. It's really cool.
Oh my god.
That was awesome.
That
Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh, that was beautiful.
there it is.
It's tiny, but it's awesome. Alright, I'm going back.
Well, that was the rocket launch from Wallops Island. I did not expect it to actually launch. So that was pretty cool.
That was awesome.
You probably can't see me right now, but it's gone. It's up. Unmanned spacecraft. Okay.
It's unmanned, yep.
I'll
click on the article.
I'll see you guys in the next video. You know, if you have any things you saw in the sky, let me know.